The Mercedes-Benz W246, produced from 2011 to 2018, is the B-Class compact MPV that includes a built-in trip computer for tracking your driving data. This trip computer monitors key information such as your trip distance, average fuel consumption, average speed, and total driving time. Understanding and using this trip info allows you to monitor your driving efficiency and better plan your journeys. To access trip info, turn the ignition to position 1, which is accessories, or simply start the engine. Use the menu or trip buttons on the multifunction steering wheel to navigate through the options. Typically, you'll press the OK button on the steering wheel to enter the trip menu displayed on the instrument cluster. Cycle through the options until you see Trip A, Trip B, or similar trip information. The W246 provides two trip counters, Trip A and Trip B. Use Trip A for shorter journeys or daily commutes. Trip B is ideal for longer road trips or specific periods. Keeping them separate helps track different aspects of your driving habits. To reset trip data manually on the Mercedes-Benz W246, first navigate to either Trip A or Trip B using the instrument cluster display. Then locate the Reset button, which is typically a small button on the instrument cluster or the steering wheel. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the display shows Reset or the data clears. Always ensure the vehicle is completely stationary during the reset process to avoid any data corruption. The Mercedes-Benz W246 lacks native smartphone app integration for trip data management. However, third-party apps like Torque and Carly can connect via OBD2 scanners to access and reset trip data remotely. These tools connect via Bluetooth and provide additional features beyond just resetting trip information. Before purchasing, ensure the tools are compatible with your specific W246 model. Common issues when resetting trip info include ignition not being properly on or the car not being stationary. Faulty buttons due to wear are a frequent problem. Clean the contacts gently with a soft cloth to remove dirt. If problems persist, it may be a software glitch or instrument cluster fault. Consult a professional for diagnosis. Regularly resetting your trip info provides accurate data for monitoring fuel efficiency and driving habits. This is beneficial for tracking maintenance intervals and optimizing your driving style for better performance. You've learned how to access and reset trip info on your Mercedes-Benz W246. Remember to consult your owner's manual for specific button layouts. Whether you use the manual method or an aftermarket solution, keeping track of your trip data helps you manage your vehicle effectively.